Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Sheets tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show or hide the formula bar in Google Sheets. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Sheets and here I have an empty document. The formula bar is currently not displayed. To show the formula bar in Google Sheets I go to View, Show and Formula Bar. Now the formula bar is displayed in Google Sheets. If I want to hide the formula bar I go the same way, View, Show and Formula Bar, and this way I can hide it. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.